Wi-Fi not working after installing Windows 11. Let's see how to solve the problem of Wi-Fi not showing up after installing Windows 11. Now just connect the mobile phone to your laptop via USB cable. Make sure your mobile is connected to Wi-Fi. Then you need to turn on USB tethering. Then your laptop will be connected to the internet. Now update your Windows. Now wait for the update process. Then restart. Wi-Fi will be available on your Windows after restarting. If it is not available, you will need to turn it on from settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.